Where does the name for Tal-y-sarn come from? So, today I'm in Tal-y-sarn, which is a small mining village up in the mountains by Pen y just out by Caernarfon in Gwynedd. The name's made of three parts: Tal, which means the end of something, which means the, and sarn, which has got a couple of meanings, but in this particular case means a causeway. Because down at the bottom of the village, over by where Pen y is, it used to be wetlands, and the only way to pass it was over a causeway, so the village was situated at the end of a causeway, hence the name Tal-y-sarn. So check this out. This is one of the bridges from before the mines were here, and it used to be overgrown with trees and like ferns and plants and stuff, but they've managed to dig it out. Anyway, deal. Subscribe for more, and check out the link in my bio to have a look at my Patreon if you want to support me, or my website or my other social medias. Have a good one.
I'd probably call it cheddar or something, to be honest.